Tecno Spark 20 using MediaTek Helio G85 SoC and dynamic port launched specs and features. The Tecno Spark 20 price has yet to be disclosed. The manufacturer has listed the smartphone's features and specifications on its website, but pricing and availability are presently unknown. The phone will come in cyber white, gravity black, magic skin 2.0, blue, and neon gold colors. Specifications and features of the Tecno Spark 20. The dual SIM Nano Tecno Spark 20 comes pre-installed with Android 13 based HiOS 13. It has a 6.6-inch HD plus 720 x 1612 pixel LCD display with a refresh rate of 90 Hz, as well as the company's dynamic port, which displays alerts and other device status related information around the selfie camera cutout. And the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G85 SoC with up to 8 GB of RAM. The Tecno Spark 20 comes with a 50 megapixel primary camera and an unnamed secondary camera with a dual flash. The device includes a 32 megapixel front-facing camera with 2 LED flashes for selfies and video chats. The device features an internal storage capacity of up to 256 gigabytes, which can be increased via a microSD card slot. The Tecno Spark 20 has 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, and a USB Type-C connector for connectivity. It has an accelerometer, an e-compass, a virtual gyroscope, an ambient light sensor, a proximity sensor, and a fingerprint sensor for biometric verification. The phone includes a 5000 mAh battery with 18-watt charging capabilities. It has dimensions of 163.69 x 75.6 x 8.45 millimeter.